The way you make your sugar scrub when you are trying to scrub your face it's not the same way you make your sugar scrub for your body. It's not the same way you make it for your face. Help with the white head, probably here. I used to have a lot of white head here, this particular place. So I'm loving my skin right now. Hi my love, welcome and welcome back. So today guys, I'll be showing you how you can make your own physical exfoliating scrub at home. This physical scrub, you can use it for your face, okay? You can use it to exfoliate your face very good and give you that brighter skin. So if you are interested in this particular topic, just sit back, relax, and also like this video. Drop me a comment in the comment section and let's just get right into today's video, okay? Let's talk about the importance of exfoliating, because before we start exfoliating our skin, we need to know the importance of why we need to exfoliate our skin, right? The importance of exfoliating is to open your pores and remove the dead skin cells from your skin, okay, so that you can have that brighter looking glowing skin, right? So we need to exfoliate our skin. So most of you that you don't like exfoliating, you say you don't like exfoliating. Exfoliating is very important too. Exfoliating is one of the key ingredients in our skincare routine. If you want to have that brighter shiny looking skin, that glowing skin, you will need to exfoliate, because exfoliating is going to open the pores of your skin and remove the dead skin from our skin. Normally our skin shed dead skin cells every 30 days, but you don't want to wait for that time before you start having that brighter skin. You want to have that flawless skin every time, and so that's the main reason why you need to exfoliate your skin at least once in a week or 3 times weekly if possible, okay? Exfoliate your skin. Those of you that say you don't have time to exfoliate your skin, oh, I'm so busy, I'm rushing to work. In fact, even if you don't have time to exfoliate your skin, but try and take out one day and exfoliate your skin. Even in the whole of the week, try and take out one day to exfoliate your skin, to have that brighter skin, to have that glowing skin, because exfoliating is the key ingredients you need so that the other product that you're using in your skincare routine can work. If you don't exfoliate your skin, the rest product that you're using, they will not work for you, and you will feel like you're just wasting your money buying skincare products and you're not working for you, but you don't know that it's because you're not exfoliating your skin. That is the main reason why this product that you're using is not working for you. So you need to exfoliate. Let me just give you guys an illustration of how important exfoliating is for our skin. So imagine that you want to access an apartment, and for you to access that apartment, you will need a key to open that door before you can access the apartment. That is how exfoliating is our skin. Exfoliating is going to open our pores. If you have clogged pores, if you have dead skin cell on your skin, exfoliating is going to get rid of the dead skin cell, unclog your pores and open your pores, so that whenever you start applying all these skincare products, your toner, your face cream, all these things, it can work effectively and you will start seeing results for your skin. So that is the main reason why you need to exfoliate your skin, okay? Let's talk about types of exfoliants. So we have the chemical exfoliants, we have the physical exfoliants, okay? And when it comes to chemical exfoliants, I will show you guys some of the products that I'm currently using for exfoliating the skin. We have the BHA toner and we have the AHA toner. So now this one is the annual BHA gentle exfoliating toner 2%. This one contains salicylic acid 2%. It contains hyaluronic acid, it contains sea ceramide, it contains tea tree extract. So this one is going to exfoliate your skin, gently exfoliate your skin, and it's very mild, and it's just going to give you that gradual result. It's not going to give you that fast result. So if you have sensitive skin, you can go for this, okay? It will gently exfoliate your skin. This is the Neutrogena salicylic acid 2%. It contains salicylic acid 2%, and it's the Fight and Fade Neutrogena rapid clear toner. This particular one is very good for acne prone skin. If you have acne prone skin that you break out every now and then, you will need something like this for your skin to, you know, keep your skin in check. When I started using the toner, I realized that I don't break out as often as I used to, because I have an acne prone skin. I do break out every now and then, but since I started using this particular toner, I realized that my breakout has, you know, minimized. I don't used to break out like much like how I used to break out before. So these are some of the chemical exfoliant that I use to exfoliate my skin, okay? Now let's talk about physical exfoliants. When it comes to physical exfoliants, we have the sugar scrub, we have the salt scrub, we have the sponge, the konjac sponge, the glove sponge that we can use for your face to exfoliate your face and your body. We have all these things, and I will show you guys how I make my own sugar scrub, because there's a way you make your sugar scrub when you are trying to scrub your face. It's not the same way you make your sugar scrub for your body. It's not the same way you make it for your face. So over here I have my blender. This particular blender can blend anything to dust. right? So this is what I will use for my, this is why I use this is why I normally use to blend my sugar if I want to like exfoliate my face, because your face is very sensitive and your face is very tender. So you want to use something, so you want to use your sugar scrub in a way that if you use it on your face, you are not going to be getting, so you want to blend your sugar to a way that when you use it on your face, you're not going to be getting that ash effect on your face. And the main reason why I like using physical exfoliant to scrub my face most of the times is because it gives me that instant effect. If you want that instant glowing skin, if you want that brighter skin like instantly, you need to use this to exfoliate your skin, like your sugar scrub to exfoliate at least once in a while. Just do it, okay? It's very important because it will give you that fast result, and it will also help remove your whitehead on your skin or blackhead on your skin. You can use your sugar scrub to effectively exfoliate your skin and remove the whitehead and blackhead on your skin, okay? This chemical exfoliant is just going to exfoliate your skin gradually, but it's going to go to the deeper layer of your skin and exfoliate your skin. But sugar scrub, it is going to give you that instant result, but it's only going to exfoliate the surface of your skin, right? So these two scrub, they are very important. One is going to give you fast results, and one is going to give you fast results, and one is going to give you results gradually. So that is the main reason why you need to incorporate the two into your routine and do it once in a while. Use your chemical scrub once 3 times weekly, and you can use this maybe once weekly or once in a while, okay? For me, I don't do it all the time. I use it like once in a while, okay? So today I'm about to go take my bath, and I just want to scrub myself. I just want to scrub my face first before I go and take my bath, okay? So see the way I blend this sugar, I blend it in the way that it's looking like dust. It's looking like dust. You will not even know that this is sugar. So you need to blend your sugar very well. If you know that you want to use it on your face, you need to blend your sugar very well, okay? Now I will go in with my honey. The second ingredients I'll go in with my honey. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of my honey. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the honey, okay? So I'm going to put that in. So guys, so I just added my honey inside, and I'm just going to mix. So like I always say, this particular plate and spoon I use for my face, I do not use it in the kitchen. These are just what I use for my skincare. So I normally put them aside. I don't use them in my kitchen. So if you are using something like this, just ensure that these are things that you use for your face only. These are not things that you're going to be using to eat, okay? So the next thing I go in with my aloe vera gel. You know that aloe vera gel work for acne. It has healing properties and all that. So I have some little acne here, so that's the main reason why I'm going to add some aloe vera gel into this as well, and I'm just going to mix it very well and apply it on my face. So these are the 3 ingredients I normally like mix together and use to exfoliate my skin. So after mixing properly, you see how it is. It's giving this, it's kind of thick, not too watery, so you don't make it too watery. So I'm using it for my face. So now I'm just going to take it and apply it on my face like this. I'm just going to take it and apply it on my face like this, and just use the spoon to scrub it into my skin gently, okay? So this is what you want to do for your skin. Like, you do this process not every time, but at least once in a while. It's going to help give you that brighter skin, that smooth skin. And because I have white heads a lot, that's the main reason why I like doing this physical scrubbing, like this particular one, because I have white head on my face. So it's really help with the white head, probably here. I used to have a lot of white head here, this particular place. So I'm just going to use it to scrub my skin very well. So you see that once I finish scrubbing my skin now, and I rinse this off, you'll see how shiny my skin will look. My skin will look so bright. My skin will look so smooth and so soft. So that's the main reason why I like using this sugar scrub. Like, I like doing this sugar scrubbing. So you see that this particular scrub is not the sugar is not big. I ground it to the extent that is very the sugar is very small. So just gently exfoliate my skin, and I can exfoliate my skin like this, and I will leave it on my skin for like 5 to 10 minutes. I will leave it on my skin for like 5 to 10 minutes before I go ahead and wash it off. So I'll just wash it up and come back and show you guys how my skin look. Okay, so guys, I just finished washing my face, and you can see that my face is looking so smooth. Like, see, it's looking so smooth and so bright. Like, this is the main reason why I love using my this is the main reason why I love using my physical exfoliant, because it just gives you that instant glow, that instant brighter skin. That's maybe why I like using it, especially for my white head. You can see that there's no white head anymore. That's clear everything from my face. My face is looking so soft and smooth. So once you exfoliate your skin during the day, when you are going out, always remember to apply your sunscreen. Okay, normally I would advise you to exfoliate your skin at night, but if you want to exfoliate your skin during the day when you are going out, as far as after exfoliating your skin, always remember to apply your sunscreen. Okay, because right now once you exfoliate your skin, your skin will become like very sensitive. So if you go into the sun and you don't apply your sunscreen, it's just going to darken your skin. So ensure to apply your sunscreen before you go out during the day. Okay, so you guys can see that exfoliating your skin is very important, and the two exfoliating method is very important. Your chemical exfoliant is very important, your physical exfoliant is also very important. So I will advise you to use your chemical exfoliant 3 times weekly, and also use your physical exfoliant once in a while, or you can use it like once every 2 weeks, or you can use it like once every week. Use your physical exfoliant to exfoliate your face. If you want to have that instant result, your physical exfoliant will give you that. And you guys already saw the 3 ingredients that I use in making my own exfoliating scrub at home, and if you use these particular ingredients to make your own at home, you will get that brighter and glowing skin. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, and do it to like this video and drop a comment down in the comment section for me. Let me know your thoughts, what you think about this routine and these ingredients that I use in making my own scrub. And do not forget to share this video to someone, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.